Hello everyone! Welcome to our YouTube channel. Again, this is Teacher JM, and today we're going to discuss Summative Test Reviewer for English 6, Quarter 3, Week 1. Disclaimer: the information provided by the presenter on this video is for general informational purposes only, to help pupils to review for their weekly test or summative test. All information is provided in good faith. However, we make no representation or warranty of any kind, express or implied, regarding the accuracy, adequacy, validity, reliability, availability, or completeness of this information. Thank you. Directions: choose the letter of the correct answer. Number 1. Which of the following is a secondary source of information? A. A diary written by a soldier. B. A textbook on Philippine history. C. An original photo. D. A birth certificate. The correct answer is letter B. Number 2. What do we call the idea that arranges details according to when they happen? A. Alphabet. B. Category. C. Time. D. Hierarchy. The correct answer is letter C. Number 3. A biography about Dr. Jose Rizal's life is an example of blank. A. Primary source. B. Secondary source. C. Reference book. D. Nonfiction. The correct answer is letter B. Number 4. In organizing details from smallest to largest government office, which idea is used? A. Alphabet. B. Hierarchy. C. Location. D. Category. The correct answer is letter B. Number 5. A gazetteer and atlas are examples of blank. A. Secondary sources. B. Primary sources. C. Oral reports. D. Survey forms. The correct answer is letter A. Number 6. Which organizing idea is shown when details are grouped as solids, liquids, gases? A. Category. B. Time. C. Location. D. Alphabet. The correct answer is letter A. Number 7. Arranging names of provinces from Abra to Zamboanga follows what organizing idea? A. Category. B. Alphabet. C. Hierarchy. D. Location. The correct answer is letter B. Number 8. The typhoon hit Bicol, then Quezon, and finally Pampanga. What organizing idea is used? A. Alphabet. B. Location. C. Time. D. Hierarchy. The correct answer is letter B.
Number 9. A report that uses maps and diagrams to show where things are found applies which idea? A. Location, B. Alphabet, C. Time, D. Category.
The correct answer is letter A.
Number 10. Why is organizing information from secondary sources important? A. It helps copy exact words of others. B. It develops clear and logical presentation of ideas. C. It limits the need for research. D. It removes the writer's own opinion.
The correct answer is letter B. Directions. Write if the statement is true or false.
Number 11. Primary sources are created after an event. This statement is false. Number 12. Encyclopedias and almanacs are considered secondary sources. This statement is true. Number 13. Alphabetical order arranges information by order of importance. This statement is false. Number 14. Using a hierarchy means ordering from highest to lowest rank. This statement is true. Number 15. Secondary sources may include analysis or interpretation. This statement is true. Number 16. In organizing data by location, we follow geographical arrangement. This statement is true. Number 17. Before, during, after shows organization by time. This statement is true. Number 18. A person's diary is a secondary source because it interprets events. This statement is false. Number 19. Grouping animals as mammals, birds, and reptiles shows organization by category. This statement is true. Number 20. Good organization helps readers understand information easily. This statement is true.
Directions. Identify the correct term for each statement.
Number 21. A record of original event or direct experience. The correct answer is primary source. Number 22. A source that interprets or explains information from another source. The correct answer is secondary source. Number 23. The idea that arranges items alphabetically. The correct answer is alphabet. Number 24. A library reference book that lists facts about countries. The correct answer is atlas. Number 25. Organizing events by their dates. The correct answer is time. Number 26. Grouping information according to physical place. The correct answer is location. Number 27. A type of secondary source that gives meaning and evaluation of a historical event. The correct answer is history book or textbook. Number 28. Arranging government officials from barangay to president shows blank organization. The correct answer is hierarchy. Number 29. When we classify food as fruits, vegetables, and grains, we use blank organization. The correct answer is category. Number 30. Collecting and arranging facts from reference materials for a report is called blank. The correct answer is organizing information.
Thank you for watching. Again, this is Teacher JM, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. You can also support our YouTube channel by clicking like button, sharing this video, and putting a comment for the content that you want us to cover. Again, thank you and see you next video.